Monetizing a YouTube channel takes time, strategy, and consistency. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Meet YouTube's monetization requirements. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Follow YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies. Set up two-step verification and have no active strikes. 2. Join the YouTube Partner Program. YPP. Go to YouTube Studio Monetization, click Apply Now, and follow the steps. Wait for YouTube's review. Usually takes about a month. 3. Set up Google AdSense account. Connect your channel to Google AdSense for ad revenue. Ensure your payment info is correct. 4. Revenue streams on YouTube. Ad revenue from display, overlay, and video ads. YouTube Premium revenue. When premium members watch your content, channel memberships. Fans pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks, super chat, and super stickers. Viewers pay to highlight their messages during live streams. Super thanks. Viewers tip on regular videos. Merch shelf. Sell your own branded merchandise directly on your channel. 5. Explore external monetization. Sponsorships. Partner with brands for paid promotions. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions from purchases through your links. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, or exclusive content. 6. Optimize for more revenue. Create high-quality, engaging content. Post consistently. Stick to a schedule. Master SEO. Use the right titles, descriptions, and tags. Use thumbnails and titles that grab attention. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community.